Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create voice tag in Alight Motion. So if you want to add your voice or brand name in your edits, let's make a clean voice tag in Alight Motions in just minutes. So first, you need to record your voice using your phone's recorder. Keep it short and clear, like edit by, you can just use that. Here I'm going to find the recorder apps on my phone. Okay, this one's right here. Click on the recorder applications, and in here you can just tap on this one to start recording your voice tag. I'm going to rename it voice tag. Okay, click on OK. And you can also use free apps like Voice Recorder or Dolby On for better sound if you want to. Now you can just open the Alight Motion application on your device. After the app is open, you can just tap on the plus icon to create a new project. Tap on the plus icon and start choosing your ratio. Click on create both project, and after that the editing page will be open, and you can just tap on the okay, so once you've in the editing page, you can just tap on the plus icon and choose audio to import your voice clip. Here I'm going to find the audio, it's named voice tag, so I'm going to just okay, this one. Click on the plus icon, and after that you can just position it at the start or end of your video. So here I've already put it at the start of my video. You can even add echo, reverb, or fade effects for style by clicking on the audio in here. You can set the volume in here. You can also add keyframes in here to adjust the, maybe you want the volume down at the bottom, so there will be this fade in effect, and here you can add another keyframe and increase the volume. You can also here adjust the speed and everything if you want to. And that's it. Now your own custom voice tag is in Alight Motion. So don't forget to like, click on the subscribe, and also click on thanks, and also leave a comment if you want more tutorials. I'll catch you all on the next one. Bye.